This is exactly how I escaped the paycheck to paycheck life by the age of 25. If you're in your 20s, 30s, 40s, or even 50s and you're broke, you're not alone. But staying broke, that's a choice. By the end of this video, you're going to know a 9-step blueprint to go from financially stuck to financially unstoppable, even if you're working a minimum wage job or drowning in debt. This is the exact same system used by self-made millionaires who started with nothing but a bad credit score and a cracked iPhone. And it's exactly what I would do if I lost everything today and had to start over at 21. This video is one of the most important wake-up calls for Americans right now because we're living in the age of inflation, $5 gas, and 5-figure student loan bills, but the tools to escape, they're more available than ever. This is going to be a 9-step process and you do not want to skip a single one because it can throw the entire process off, so let's jump in. Step number 1, we need to audit your reality because you can't escape something you won't look at. We need to go old school with this. Open your bank app, get a notepad, write down your income, your expenses, and your debts. Then circle the things you're emotionally avoiding. That $897 credit card bill that you've been ignoring. I understand this hurts, but it's necessary because you can't fix what you're blind to. Now, step number 2, we want to eliminate financial parasites. A lot of you are not gonna like what I'm gonna say, but I'm gonna say it. Netflix, DoorDash, Amazon Prime, random gym memberships you haven't used since February. Kill them. Kill them all. Because every single dollar you spend out of habit is a dollar that keeps you broke. Most 20-somethings are bleeding $300 to $500 a month on absolutely nothing. Simply put, cut everything ruthlessly. You can always resubscribe later. Now moving to step number 3, master one high income skill. If you're working 40 hours a week and still can't breathe financially, you don't need more hours. You need more valuable hours. Good example, copywriting, digital ads, video editing, sales, or coding. Pick one and commit 6 months to it like your life depends on it, because it does. Step number 4, open a high yield savings account. It's one of the easiest and best things you'll ever do. Put your emergency fund in a place that actually earns you something. Online banks like Marcus, Ally, or SoFi offer way better rates than your local banks. You're not investing just yet. This is your sleep well fund. Let's just be honest. Banks like Bank of America, Wells Fargo, and Chase Bank are giving you absolutely nothing to hold your money in their bank. It's time to make smart moves with your money. Now moving on to step number 5, get a side hustle that scales. Uber's fine, but at the end of the day, it's a dead end. Instead, you could do things like flip items on eBay, create digital products, run a content page, start affiliate marketing, something that can grow even when you sleep. Because remember, trading time for money forever equals modern day slavery. Step number 6, automate 3 key habits. This is crucial. It's what I call the set it and forget it. Number 1, auto transfer $100 a month to savings. Put it away and don't even look at it. It's like it doesn't exist. Number 2, auto pay your credit cards to pay off in full every single month. We don't pay these banks any interest fees. If you don't have the money to pay it, don't use a credit card. It's that simple. And number 3, my favorite, auto invest $20 a week into an index fund. Even small amounts done consistently will stack faster than you ever think. I want to give a special shout out to all my beasters out there that are working hard to fix their credit using DisputeBeast, the most advanced AI credit repair software ever created that comes with a 110% money back guarantee. But specifically to Kenneth. Kenneth's credit score went up 282 points after just 1 round with DisputeBeast. And Arthur's credit score went up 670 points after just 2 rounds with DisputeBeast. But let's not forget Destiny. Destiny's credit score went up 264 points after just 1 round with DisputeBeast. But specifically to Luis's credit score went up 261 points after just one round with Dispute Beast. And Jency's credit score went up 225 points after just one round with Dispute Beast. But let's not forget James. James's credit score went up 207 points after just one round with Dispute Beast. But specifically to Tanya. Tanya's credit score went up 289 points after just one round with Dispute Beast. And Christian's credit score went up 366 points after just one round with Dispute Beast. And let's not forget about Allison. Allison's credit score went up 204 points after just one round with Dispute Beast. But specifically to Brandon. Brandon's credit score went up 185 points after just one round with Dispute Beast. And Ashley's credit score went up 218 points after just two rounds with Dispute Beast. But let's not forget about Julio. Julio's credit score went up 266 points after just one round with Dispute Beast. Dispute Beast link is going to be pinned at the very top of the comments and in the video description for anyone that needs to fix their credit. Moving on to step number 7. This is my favorite because this is what really changed everything around for me. Use what's called the zero-based budget trick. Here's the key. Every dollar you earn gets assigned a job before you even spend it. Rent, groceries, gas, savings, debt. Your income minus expenses should equal 0. This is exactly how broke 20-somethings build rich habits. And of course, this one cannot be avoided. Step number 8, fix your credit score. Your credit score isn't just a number. It's your ticket to lower interest rates, better apartments, and yes, wealth. You want to always make sure to dispute inaccurate items because negative accounts are not accurate, complete, or fair. You can dispute anything your little heart desires. Always make sure to pay your credit cards on time and never let your utilization cross the threshold of 0%. We do not want to owe anybody any money and we don't want any debt. If your credit score sucks, link is going to be in the video description for Dispute Beast. Dispute Beast will do all the work for you, mail the letters, and it comes with a 110% money back guarantee. There's literally no excuse. It's risk-free. Just fix your credit already. Last part's the most important. Now moving on to the final step number 9, join a tribe that wants more. This is a crazy statistic. You're the average of your 5 closest friends. Because if your circle complains about rent but never talks about solutions, you're honestly in the wrong room. It took me years to figure this out. One of my favorite people on social media is Daniel Pena, and he says, show me your friends and I'll show you your future. It's one of the most powerful statements and it's 100% facts. You need to find a community online or in person that's obsessed with growth because escaping broke isn't just financial, it's mental. Listen, if you're broke in your 20s, 30s, 40s, or even 50s, you're not a failure. But if you stay broke after watching this video and doing nothing, well, that's on you, let's be honest. Make sure to smash that like button if you want weekly financial freedom blueprints just like this. And if you're ready to fix your credit, budget smarter, and build wealth from scratch, make sure to watch this video right here because it's gonna show you how AI will do all the work for you and mail the letters, and it comes with a 110% money back guarantee. And if you felt that I brought you some value in this video, make sure that you don't forget and subscribe to increase your credit score.